On this episode of Shiny G 88 Computer Repair, I show you how to replace the earphone pads on your Turtle Beach gaming headset. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the headphone pads on your Turtle Beach gaming headset. As with computer repair, sometimes you got to repair other things as well. This headset works fine. I just need to replace these pads here. And the only reason I do need to replace the pads is the older ones. This headset is really old. It's kind of old. I don't do a whole lot of online gaming. And when I bought these, I just bought my PS4. So these are 10 plus years old and they work just fine. So I got this kit from Amazon and they just go over your old. They look like this. Now the ones with Turtle Beach, you have to have something like this. Now there were ones that had the Turtle Beach logo on it, but I didn't need that, so I got these. So this doesn't have the coating that will flake off. So with that, let's just put them on there. All right, so these are what they look like. I like the way these look. They look really cool. So just to give you, these are what they look like. And it's a little bit difficult to do because the older ones, they had a rim that they went on. There we go. That's what these look like. There we go. Wow, cool. And cool. Because the other ones were tucked, they were glued on, and they were kind of on the inside. These just go on the outside. That's pretty cool. But now what you do is there's this tool, and then you find but for me this is okay. I like this better. Then I could swap them out when I want to. Now the correct way to do this would be to put it in this groove here, but I'm going to leave mine like this. Then this way I could just swap them out whenever I want. Because there's residue and you can't really put stuff in there, so this is just a generic kit. So, and what I liked about the other ones is it had the blue rim. This has the blue inside piece, which is pretty cool. It's not an exact match, but for $9 on Amazon, that's pretty good. So I'm going to put the other one on here. And this does take a little bit of time to do because you have to get it around things, and this one's going to be a little bit harder because of the microphone jack. Go. Took the microphone out. There we go. Oh, I had it upside down too. There we go. There we go. So it's now on there. And this is what it looks like. And where's the microphone? There it is. So now I just plug that back in. And there we go. It's all repaired. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.